TV Guide and Playlist. Your home screen is where you'll find the TV Guide, your playlist, a whole range of shows, movies, apps, and more. To get to the TV Guide, say, "Hello Sky, TV Guide," or scroll down for a snapshot of what's on right now and coming up next. Select View All to look ahead across all channels. Press left to view channels by category like movies or sports. You can jump ahead up to 7 days if you press and hold right. And jump up or down a full page by holding up or down. Press play and pause button to return to what's on now. While you're watching live TV, press the middle button and you can see information about what's on now and next. Scroll up and down to see what's on the next channels in the TV Guide, or enter a number to see what's on that channel. If you see something you want to save for later, add it to your playlist and it'll be ready as soon as it's available to play. Just highlight the item, then press the playlist button on your remote. You'll know it's been added to your playlist when a tick icon appears next to the title. Then you can see all your added shows, movies, and more in the playlist section on your home screen. And if you want to remove something, simply select it in your playlist and press Remove. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say My Sky to your Sky Glass.